How to play Fortnite on PS5 with PS4 controller. In this video, I'll show you how to play Fortnite on PS5 with a PS4 controller. So to get started, go ahead and connect the PS4 controller to your PS5. Plug the PS5 using a USB cable, and then the PS button on the controller. And then the PS5 will recognize it and assign it to user profile. After that, launch Fortnite. Go to your PS5 home screen and open Fortnite. Fortnite is a PS4 compatible game, so it will run in backward compatibility mode. Your PS4 controller will work seamlessly with it. And then after that, play and customize your controllers. You can adjust controller settings in Fortnite under settings, controller options, and customize sensitivity button layout and aim assist is needed. Now, here are some important notes. PS4 controllers only work with PS4 games on PS5 and not native PS5 titles. Fortnite runs as a PS4 version on PS5 unless you specifically download the PS5 version, in which case you'll need a DualSense controller. And that is how you can basically play Fortnite on PS5 with a PS4 controller.